Alright guys, so I'm going to take you through my workflow, what I do every time I import my images, how I stay organized. It's a very simple but very effective way to manage your files within Lightroom. So if I just show you how I do this, I will insert my memory card into my computer, and then I will come across to library section of Lightroom. I'll slide my Lightroom window across. I'll go into my memory card. I'll hit Command A to select them all, and then I will go into my LaCie hard drive. You want to store all your images in a place that has a lot of storage, because you don't want to move your images later, because it will break the connection between Lightroom and where your original files are, and it can be really tedious to link them all back up. So I store mine in my LaCie hard drive here. I'll create a new folder. I'll call it Beach Kate. Okay, so I'll come back to my memory card and I'll drag and drop those all in. So now I'll just grab all the images within this folder, shift click to select them all, and then just drag and drop them all into Lightroom. Okay, so now you just hit import. And now here, what I'll do is just select all these images I just import by Command A. We have them all selected, and then I'll come down to the left side here and hit the plus icon by collections, create collection, something that you will remember, and then create. And now we have another collection here on the left. So this breaks up and organizes all your images into what's called collections, and that will just help you really stay organized. And each shoot you go on, you can have a different collection, and we can come over and we can edit these images over here in this collection. So this way we can stay within this project and not have all our other images when we're trying to work on this shoot in particular. So Lightroom organizes your images into catalogs, and you can choose to have one catalog or multiple catalogs to organize your images. According to Adobe, it doesn't slow down your computer to have one massive catalog. So that's what I've chosen to do. And then I separate my shoots, all the shots I get, my trips, in these catalogs on the left here. And that's basically what I do to organize images. And then on the top, down the bottom here, you have the option to view and filter your images here. So you can choose to flag your images, which just adds a marker so you can filter them later. You can filter flagged images, or you can star rate them. You can color code them all by right clicking and going to either flag, unflag, select the amount of stars you want to rate it, or color tag your image, and then you can choose to filter those images by clicking the colors here, the stars, or the flags here. So what I might do is I will import my latest shoot, and then I'll be really excited about the images I've imported. I'll chuck a preset on all my favorite images as I quickly flick through to see what they'll look like, and then when I get to the end of that collection or those photos from that shoot, you can click this filter which shows edited or unedited photos, and then I quickly chucked a preset on all my favorite ones, so then I can quite quickly narrow it down. So for example, if I clicked on this image here and I applied a preset up here, let's go up to Kate Gold Black, do a little bit of an edit to it just very quickly, something like that. So then after I've gone through my entire collection I just made, editing the ones I like, quickly chucking on a preset, and then I'll come over and I can hit show all edited images within this collection, and then we have this here, and this will be all my favorite ones here. I don't use the star rating. I used to use flagging before I used collections. I find collections work way better, much easier to organize all my shoots. I don't use color tagging, I just use collections, and that's my pretty simple process of organizing and my workflow and how I work within Lightroom.